Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ryan. How are you today?
Hi, Tina. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking about our school life and all the clubs and events on campus. I love joining extracurricular activities. Do you join any clubs?
Yes, I do. I am a member of the sports club and the debate club. I really enjoy meeting new people and learning new skills through these activities. What about you, Tina?
I joined the art club and the music club. I love drawing and painting, and I also enjoy singing and playing the guitar. These clubs make school life so much fun.
That sounds interesting. I think joining clubs is a great way to relax after classes. It helps me take a break from studying.
I agree. When I join the art club, I feel creative and happy. We often work on group projects like painting a big mural or making art for a school event.
In my sports club, we play different games like basketball, volleyball, and soccer. It is very active and fun. Last week, we even had a friendly match against another class.
Wow, that must have been exciting. I love watching sports, even if I don't play them all the time.
Yes, and playing sports helps me stay fit. It is a good way to balance my studies and my free time.
I think extracurricular activities give us a chance to learn outside the classroom. They help us develop teamwork and communication skills.
Absolutely. In the debate club, I learn how to express my ideas clearly and listen to others. We meet every week to discuss current topics and practice our speeches.
That sounds very useful. I also learn a lot in the music club. We sometimes perform at school events, and I get to practice my singing and guitar playing in front of an audience.
Performing in front of people can be a bit scary at first, but it really boosts your confidence. I felt nervous at my first debate meeting, but now I enjoy it a lot.
I understand. My first art club meeting was also a little scary. I was worried about sharing my ideas, but my friends were very supportive.
It is great to have a supportive environment. Do you think that joining clubs has helped you with your studies?
Yes, I do. When I work with club members, I learn to manage my time better. I also find that the creative activities help me think in new ways, which is good for solving problems in class.
I feel the same. The skills I learn in debate club, like researching topics and presenting arguments, help me with my school projects.
Also, clubs allow us to make friends from different classes. I have met many interesting people through the art and music clubs.
True, I have met students from various grades in the sports club and the debate club. It is nice to learn from each other.
Do you remember any special school events related to extracurricular activities?
Yes, last semester we had a school festival. My sports club organized a mini tournament, and the debate club held a public debate. There were also art and music performances. It was a busy day, but very exciting.
I remember that festival well. I performed with my music club. We sang songs and played instruments on stage. It was a wonderful experience, and many people clapped for us.
That must have been amazing. Events like these make our school life memorable. They show us that learning is not only in classrooms, but also in experiences outside.
I agree. I feel that these activities help me learn about myself and my interests. I also feel more confident in talking with others.
Yes, participating in events and clubs has taught me to work as part of a team. I have learned to plan events, solve problems quickly, and support my teammates during games.
I also learn a lot about time management. I have to balance my homework with club meetings and practice sessions. It is challenging, but it makes me more organized.
I sometimes use a planner to keep track of my club activities, classes, and homework. It helps me plan my day better and reduces my stress.
That is a good idea. I use my phone's calendar to remind me of club meetings and events. It is very useful.
Do you have any future plans for joining more clubs or events?
Yes, I am thinking about joining the volunteer club next semester. I want to help organize community events and learn about social work. How about you, Ryan?
I want to try joining the technology club. I am interested in learning about new gadgets and software. I also want to see if I can participate in a coding competition.
That sounds great. Learning about technology is very important, and I think you will do well in that club.
Thanks, Tina. I believe that trying new clubs can help us grow and discover new talents.
I agree. Every new activity is a chance to learn something different. Even if we do not become experts, we can always enjoy the experience and make new friends.
Yes, and these experiences can also look good on our resumes. They show that we are active and willing to take on challenges.
Exactly. I think colleges and future employers like to see students who participate in extracurricular activities.
True, being active in clubs helps us develop important life skills such as leadership, teamwork, and communication.
I also enjoy the fun moments we share during these activities, like when we have group projects or team sports. We laugh a lot and create great memories.
I remember one day in the sports club, we had a friendly match that ended with a big group photo. We all laughed and talked about our plans for the next match.
I love those moments. They remind me why I joined the club in the first place. It is not just about learning, it is about enjoying life.
Yes, school is not only about studying, it is about growing as a person, and clubs help us do that.
I feel very happy to be part of these activities. They make my school days more exciting and give me a break from the usual routine.
I feel the same, Tina. I always look forward to club meetings and school events because they make my day fun and interesting.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Ryan. Talking with you about extracurricular activity makes me more excited about joining new clubs.
Thank you, Tina. I enjoyed our conversation as well. It is great to see how our interests help us learn and have fun.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to join an event or club together next semester.
That sounds like a great idea, Tina. I look forward to our next adventure at school.
Me too, Ryan. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your club activities.
Thank you, Tina. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ryan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.